Hey, you guys, check out my new setup here. I bought these little racks from Amazon, 3-tiered. Now I got them all nicely organized. Got all my drip system wired in. I put labels on them just so in case I need to get rid of a plant or whatever, I don't have to chase those lines down. I could just identify them easily. So that riser supplies these, and then these plants here are supplied with this guy here. And there's another one here that waters these guys. And my shade. Thanks for watching. Later.